Scania K270UB, MAN A84 and Gemilang XMQ6121G. They look the same, so how can you tell them apart? Looking at the first glass to the right of the front doors, we can see that on the Scania and on the Gemilang there's a thick black section before the transparent glass, absent on the MAN. The MAN and the Gemilang have glass that reach to the bottom of the window line, whereas the Scania has another thick black border at the bottom of the glass with a little panel for something. For the glass that's immediately to the right of the rear doors, the glass on the Gemilang and the Scania have a black border at the bottom, whereas on the MAN, the window is fully transparent. Both the MAN and the Gemilang have grille panels at the back that touches or nearly touches the window line, whereas on the Scania, the grille panel is shorter. The Scania and the MAN have a rear exhaust pipe outlet on the left side, whereas the Gemilang has it on the right side.